Water is our most precious resource that flows throughout all life on this planet. It is the source of all living things and an intrinsic part of helping all ecosystems thrive. At Downer, we are kaitiaki, guardians of our wai. We believe in protecting our wai so that it can continue to protect us. As Aotearoa's leading water and automation provider, we hold this responsibility close to our hearts. Stitching us together as one are family and relationships, care and respect, excellence and integrity as our cloak of values. We are proud to partner with cities, rural communities and industries to build a better Aotearoa. Whakamaua kia tina, tina, huie, taiki. We continue to build on our proud history of providing engineering services, operations and maintenance, automation and construction. The mahi we do means that we provide 1/4 of New Zealanders with fresh drinking water. We help provide safe swimming water for people to enjoy. We help prevent further harm to the environment through our stormwater solutions. We do all this through looking after our customers' wastewater and water networks and assets through the full asset life cycle. We take care of all aspects of the design process to support Three Waters projects. Our dedicated in-house automation team design radio telemetry and networks and electrical instrumentation control to drive optimal performance for our customers' assets. Downer proudly builds New Zealand's water and wastewater infrastructure, including networks, pump stations, and treatment plants to enable our customers to deliver essential services to our communities. Our team supports our customers to ensure that their assets are performing at their best through access to real-time information, as well as building customised electrical, control and automation solutions and SCADA and telemetry installations. Our water and automation teams work night and day maintaining and operating Aotearoa's Three Waters infrastructure. And when a crisis hits, Downer works around the clock to keep the communities we live and work in safe and get schools, homes, businesses and cities back up and running. As kaitiaki of Aotearoa's wai, we are extremely proud of the essential work we do alongside our customers to build better Aotearoa together.